So Roland,
I got the works here.
How's it
I've
going?
got a toy here.
Yeah.
I'll take the toy.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna do this.
Yeah.
Oh, what about this toy?
Well,
oh look.
Well, you're being quite pampered here, I believe.
Well, and then I want a treat, but I can't figure out how to do the ball and the treat.
That's because you keep rolling around.
I'm rolling.
Gotta keep on rolling.
So I just love this ball.
I see.
Can I play with the ball forever?
Well, you can. How about the humans? Do you love the humans?
I love the humans just as much.
Oh, we have a stray dog.
We have a stray poodle.
A poodle. Come here, poodle.
There goes the poodle.
We have loose dogs. That's
good thing
great.
I'm just hanging out here.
Well, it is a
good thing. Oh, look, there goes the poodle again.
Well, it's a
okay, where's
good
that ball?
poodle. Oh, the ball.
The ball, please.
I lost track of things. I'm sorry.
Thank you.
Because there
I
were
meant the ball.
miscellaneous poodles running around.
Well,
Look,
and there's a cat meowing. What are you guys doing here?
We're doing stuff.
Oh, look at this.
We're sorry about what happened down there, but it's okay.
Oh, look, I like the ball.
You'll soon forget. Okay, good. Well, there we go now.
There goes the rolling.
Okay, we gotta go.
Crazy.
I'll be your bag.